number 15, 200-meter medley. Elementary boys, Group 2. Swimming in lane 1 from Pasig City, Rivera Francis, Alcala Ross, Bautista Timothy, Papulo Gabriel. Lane 2, Caloocan City, Villarino Ralph, Carunao Ethan, Alamo Stephen, Chiong Sia. Lane number 3, Pasay City, Yonson Jairus, Marencio Troy, Soriano David, Cayabian Jacob. Lane number 4, Mandaluyong City, Deluna Hugo, Del Moro Robert, Gamolo Ramon, Bautista Lance Gabriel. Lane number 5, Quezon City, Idang Luis, Pamandanan Javier, Cosido Pin, Plazo Joaquin. Lane number 6, from Valenzuela City, Riego Stephen, Angel Nuevo Dia, Ramos Elijah, Adaw Gabriel. Lane 7, from Manila, Oridio Sean Miguel, Evangelista Cyril, Maderaso Drake, Reyes Chris Alex. Lane number 8, from Malabon, Santos Tristan, Texon Justin, Pineda Isel, Diaz Jess.